Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how can you recover permanently deleted files on iPhone or iPad. So guys, before deleting files on iPhone or iPad, your iCloud drive should be turned on. And if you have turned on your iCloud drive, then just go to Safari or any browser and just search for iCloud.com. And after going to iCloud drive, just scroll here. And here you can see drive, click on drive, and here you can see the third option, recently deleted, click on it. Here you can see all of your deleted files is here. If you want to recover it, just simply click on a file and click on recover. And if you want to recover all, just click this recover all. So guys, that's how you can recover deleted files on iPhone or iPad. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.